There's just nothing wrong with asking for a do-over. It's human. I think that for that person on the other side, hopefully they're going to be understanding and have some empathy for it because they've been in the same situation themselves. Hey, everybody. Great to be back with you. I'm Shannyn Lee, the managing director at Win Without Pitching. And I had another great question come in from one of our clients and followers. I'm not going to say his name because he said he was asking this question for a friend. So let me read what he said. He said, can you cover how to bounce back from a bad start? So if you have an initial conversation with a potential client, but you don't ask any of the value conversation questions, and then that client wants a proposal, and you feel like you need to go back and have a better value conversation because you didn't nail it when you had the opportunity, what do, right? So the question is, what if I screw up in the sale? What do I do? What if I make a mess of things? What do I do? Well, what I want to tell you is it's okay. Selling is messy. Selling, I don't think, should be these perfectly constructed, flawless conversations that follow a script. That's just not real life. It's great to have frameworks. That's what we help you with. We teach you frameworks for qualifying, for value, for having a closing conversation. And then it's up to you to bring your real self to that moment and have a conversation and listen and navigate your way through the things that you know you need to get done in these conversations to decide, should we move to the next step? But we're all human, and the challenges that your clients bring to you are complicated sometimes. They often don't know necessarily what they need or what the problem is. It's part of what you, as an expert, help them to figure out. And so if you have a conversation and you goof up, you ask a question in a way you wish you had asked differently, you forget altogether to ask something, it's 100% okay to just raise your hand and say, hey, can I have a do-over? Maybe it's along the lines of, in the moment, hey, I asked a question, but I didn't really ask it the way I wanted, and I think I confused the matter. Can I ask that question again in a little bit better way, right? Or maybe you hang the phone up and you realize, I forgot 2 or 3 things, or I just didn't do a very good job of that. You either pick the phone back up or you drop an email and just say, hey, mea culpa. I was not as focused today as I should have been or usually am. I am sorry. There are a few things that I forgot to ask. Can we just have 15 minutes and I can cover off on those again? There's just nothing wrong with asking for a do-over. It's human. I think that for that person on the other side, hopefully they're going to be understanding and have some empathy for it because they've been in the same situation themselves. So I think remove the pressure. If everything isn't perfect, recognize that these conversations are messy, and that's okay. That is the nature of them in a lot of cases. And it's 100% okay to say, I was just off my game that day. Can I have a do-over? All right. Hope that helps your friend who you were asking for. And I'll see you again. Send any questions my way to my email directly, Shannyn@winwithoutpitching.com. That's Shannyn with a Y. Or ask it right from our YouTube channel. You can do it right there. Thanks again. Cheers, everybody.